Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NOKIA G21 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see right here, we've got some options which are connected to the date and time, but they are inactive. It is because we are using network provided time and time zone. So first of all, let's turn off both of those options, and now we can freely tap on date. As you can see from this calendar, we can pick the one we would like to use. So let me randomly pick, for example, this one. Tap on OK. And the same situation with the time. From this clock we can pick the one we would like to have on the status bar. As you can see, it will immediately be applied. We can tap on the time zone, tap on the region, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available ones. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, randomly maybe this one, Ukraine, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied. And of course, be aware that if you are changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. You remember that I've set 11 o'clock. Currently we've got 12 o'clock. So here under it we've got the time format, so we can use a local default or manually decide if we want to use 24-hour format, just like now, because this option is applied, or we can use 12-hour format just by turning off this option, and it will be also immediately applied. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time. Of course, you can go back to your previous settings, just tap on the switcher here and turn on the network provided time and time zone. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your NOKIA G21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.